Check out the price for me one time. I click on Got a coupon code, paste my code, hit enter, and I save $50. It's that simple. Now, how are you going to do it? You will click the link in my video description. You will be redirected to this page where you will find the working coupon code for Hostinger, and you just click on the copy button. It will redirect you to the official website. Over here, you will scroll down to see the plans. You will see different plans like Premium, Unlimited, and Cloud Setup. But right now, they are providing 80% off on the unlimited offer, so it's the best time to buy it this month. But my coupon code works on every kind of plan, no matter which one you are going for. You will click on Choose Plan, and at the end, you will click on Got a coupon code, paste the code, and enter. You will get the discount. And it also works for the 24-month plan or 12-month plan. If you are just starting out as a creator or small brand, the premium plan is ideal for running up to 3 websites with a free domain and weekly backups. For growing businesses and long-term projects needing maximum flexibility, people go for the unlimited plan. It gives you unlimited websites, faster NVMe storage, daily backups, and unlimited mailboxes. Finally, if you manage an agency or high-traffic project that needs dedicated power, the Cloud Startup plan is your best choice, offering massive NVMe storage and on-demand backups to keep everything running seamlessly.